Yes, congratulations, Arunji. Your score is like crazy. Itna score, I think it's around 227 or something that you have scored, and it's in all areas. It is amazing. So I would definitely want to hear from you. What is you have beat the winner last time also, but this time I guess the score is also improved a little more. जहाँ पर भी improve कर सकते थे आपने definitely वो किया है. So great, great. I really want to hear from you. Tell us, guide us. Yes, you are on mute.
Yeah, thank you, Neha for making me one of the winners. A lot of effort from you as well as from my side following you. But I think I'm motivated with a lot of people in the group. I must mention Abrarji, Didarji, Swapanji, all my colleagues or elders. I'm actually missing Raviji for some time now. I don't know where
Yes,
is
yes.
he.
He is traveling actually.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes.
And then the ladies also, they are ever smiling faces of Smita ji, Dhara ji, Vandana ji. I think it's always good to attend the live sessions. In fact, I have not attended any recorded session in 1 year. I have only attended live
Whoa.
session. So
Great,
completely
great.
opposite.
Yes, yes. Opposite.
Because
Yes.
yeah, because the timing was not right for doing recorded session. It's
Hmm.
morning or evening is the best time to do all these things. Uh, what do I say? In fact, anxiety was one of the biggest problem I had. Last 5 years, 6 years, I have BP issue, and doctor used to always say, consult a psychologist, consult a psychologist. He used to give prescribed medicine for anxiety, which I know never took. But last 1 year, now there is no anxiety at all, no
Ah,
fear.
congratulations.
And anger, of course, was there, but that is reduced, completely gone actually. So that's a good thing. No overthinking. No. In fact, only now emotions are happiness, gratefulness. These are the two biggest emotions which I have.
Great.
So
In
that
fact, I
perhaps
like
helps.
that line in your when you filled the document, you mentioned no anger, no fear, no anxiety. I was like, so nice. Yes, yes,
So
Arunji.
that's the biggest advantage I had now in 1 year. So that's very good actually. I am very lucky actually when I was looking for somebody. See, after last October I had a stunt and November was very shaky. Lot of fluctuation in BP and all. Then I started searching. Nobody was for specific for heart and BP related. There are so many meditations, yoga and all, but all general. I
Yeah,
was looking specific, and then I somehow I found you attended the master class, and then I thought, let me join this,
right.
and then continued, of course, as a diamond member.
Hmm.
So I'm very happy that I joined this group and enjoying this completely. I am, of course, not as regular as Abrarji and Sapanji in the morning session, but I think 95% I attend. Some
That
5%
itself
I
is
do miss.
great. You have
But
been so
evening
consistent,
session
Arunji.
mostly, evening session is not missed at all. So
Yes.
that's a good thing. And evening session is actually a very useful short session,
Yeah.
but five, six activities are all useful.
Yes.
You forget about stress, the whole day's stress, and you just get relieved everything.
You're talking about daily magic healing that we do.
Delic Basic Healing, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But you will ask me, say one thing. I must say that one thing is do the all the 9 missions seriously. If you
Mm.
follow the missions, I think there is a lot of improvement in everything. Anxiety, fear, anger, emotions, control of emotions, and all due to I think missions. Because then you are determined. Okay, meditation you are doing or pranayam you are doing. So you are achieving what you learned in the mission.
Right,
So
right.
that's very important to go through the missions, do those exercises, understand them very well. one thing which I have to yet to do is chakra healing properly, which of
Okay.
course some sessions are there, but I think I have to start doing on my own also. Some people have done early morning, 5 o'clock. I was always
Yeah,
amazed.
Brahma Muhurat also.
I put an alarm of 5:20 and I get up at 5:25 to get ready 5:45. But
Wow.
that also is not so easy for me
Not
because
easy. Yes, yes.
I
Agree,
need, I
Arun.
think, more than 7 hours of sleep.
Yes.
So perhaps that's the reason. But still, I attend most of them. 5:45, I'll be there.
You are always there. I see you there.
Yeah. And I
Great.
always find people are there before me. So amazed how they manage. I can't understand.
I think we'll
And
see in December if we are able to move the time back to 6 o'clock or something because
I
it's
think
getting very
that will
cold.
help. It's
Yeah,
getting very
that's
cold
very
also in
cold.
the
Yes.
morning.
Right, right,
So
right.
good. And of course, I'm sure many people have improved a lot and they will continue to improve. Even now, I think there is some scope for me to improve further, particularly on body part.
Body
I would
part.
like to improve more.
Wow.
Mind, soul, of course, gone much better. But body part, I think there is a scope for
Your
improvement.
score is already amazing. It's
Yeah,
amazing
yeah,
actually. I think मैं
yeah.
भी अपना calculate करूंगी तो उतना नहीं आएगा.
I think it should be coming more than this.
So that's
But
wonderful. Actually,
one
just
one
yes,
more
yes,
thing,
Arun.
I suggestion. Of course, now we have 3 days meditations and 2 days yoga.
Yes,
I don't
yes.
know. You of course have to decide the mix. I would prefer whether we can do 3 days yoga, 2 days meditation, or something
Definitely,
like that.
definitely. We'll have a discussion and we'll see how we can change it. Sure. And we can move the meditation part to the night also if it allows. We'll see. Okay. Arunji, you got stuck. Is it mine or for everyone? No, I think I can see others. Arunji, I think video got stuck.
No, no, no. I am
Yeah.
okay.
Once again, your video got stuck. Okay, no worries. Thank you so much, Arunji. Arunji has been very consistent and his score is so much, actually we do a scoring of body, mind and soul. There are the 3 parameters that we check, that on your body how you are performing, on mind how it is, and on your energy level, that is your soul part, how is your we calculate the score on the 3 things, and his score has been very, very amazing. So thank you, Arunji. The one message
Okay.
that he has given is that if you do seriously 9 missions, it is going to be very good for you. So I guess everyone, all my students should take that message, that 9 missions aap achhe se karo. Next healathon is going to start from 26th of November. So please do that, right? So I want
Now,
every one of you to unmute and say congratulations
now,
to Arunji.
thank
Congratulations,
you.
Arunji.
Thank you
Congratulations,
all.
Arunji.
Thank
Congratulations,
you.
Arunji.
Congratulations.
Congratulations,
Thank you all.
Congratulations.
Hope thank you.
Congratulations, Arunji.
Congratulations,
Thank you,
Arunji.
Didarji. A special
Congratulations,
thanks to
Arunji.
Didarji and Swapanji and
Congratulations,
Abrarji.
Arunji.
Thank you.
Yes, Arunji, you were saying something.
No, I was telling special thanks to Didarji,
Yes.
Abrarji, Swapanji. Even Vandanaji mentioned me somewhere in her comments. I'm grateful to her also.
You're inspiring Geeta ji also, who was recently
Yeah, Geeta
joining.
ji also. I forgot to thank Geeta ji also. She also has been mentioning me.
Great, great. Thank you so much. All right. So let me check if my other winners are here, or if they are not there, then we can close this session. Just let me check if Achaya is here. In fact, Achaya, she could dissolve her gallbladder stone and kidney stone. How many of you you have seen her message in the group? She sent a message saying that both of her reports came normal and she was so happy. So that's why I wanted to give that top award to Achaya, right? So yes, she's not here, but let's talk to her later on. In any other session, we will talk to them. Okay. So thank you so much, all the winners. You will be getting the award from my side. जिसको ऑलरेडी टी शर्ट मिल चुका है उनको कुछ और भेजूंगी. डोंट वरी कि मेरे पास अभी इतने ज्यादा टी शर्ट हो जाएंगे. जावेद जी विल बी लाइक कि मेरे पास ऑलरेडी है. ओके, सो डोंट वरी. So thank you so much, and you have been inspiring me also and other students also. So anybody else want to say anything? Any of the student who want to say anything, just let me know. You can just raise your hand, and let's close after that.
One more
No
thing
one?
I was telling Nehha ji, that
Yes.
magic tea I am taking regularly for almost 1 year now.
Okay.
I think it has got effects on kidney part, because in fact today only I had test. My creatinine is lower than the minimum. In fact, my brother says it's okay. He is a urologist himself. My
Wow,
sodium was
great. Congratulations.
sodium also is on the slightly lower than the lower limit, which
Okay.
actually helps in lowering the BP. So it's good to have that
When I
regularly.
hear someone saying their creatinine levels are coming down, I immediately go to my father's, because that was the problem my father had. His creatinine levels were slowly increasing, and it came to a stage where he was put on dialysis. So whenever someone says कि creatinine कम हो गया, तो my ears are like standing up कि क्या है? Okay. So thank you so much, Arunji, and that's good actually. Magic tea works. That's why उसका मैंने
Yeah,
नाम ही magic tea इसीलिए रखा है.
that's right.
Okay.